All right, a quick update on the Charger tail panel. I shot some black rust reformer on there. Just thought I'd kind of show you. This is just with the rust reformer on it. No body work done yet. So as we get in closer, you can see all the little dimples left over. And right up here where I did the little weld repair. But overall, you gotta admit, this thing looks 1,000 times better now, right? No holes in it. So now I'll go ahead and do a little bit of Bondo work just to smooth it out. I'll finish that off and then we'll update it from there. But that's looking pretty good so far. I like it. This one's gonna be too hot. I think the hardener is really, really liquidy, not very creamy. So this is gonna end up being a mess and it's gonna harden up really fast. So I only got a few seconds to work this stuff. This stuff has gotten really expensive too, unfortunately. And here's the first coat of primer and some sanding. It's not perfect, not by any stretch. I'm not going to put that much effort into it. A little bit of high build primer, another light sanding, and then some shiny black paint, and it'll be fine. All right, here's a close look before. It's the fuel filler cap area, and you can see all the pitted rust that got underneath of it. So I've got some new gaskets coming, and now I'm going to get all this paint and grime and crap off of here so we can get some POR on that and permanently fix that so it doesn't rust anymore. All surface rust here, very fixable. Oh, runny. Oh, I gotta fix that. Can you see that giant run? Yeah, when I was trying to scoot up into that corner, I hit a hard spray there, and then coming back to the other side was a bridge too far, and so I'll have to correct that. That sucks. Hate fixing runs, but we can do it. A lot of orange peel, totally expected. Everything's been wiped down and yada yada, but we'll cut through some of that. But it still looks a whole lot nicer, doesn't it? I'd say. And all these trashy, messed up, rusty edges of the gutters everywhere. It's just looks 1,000 times better. And I'm telling you, man, we're using Rust-Oleum high performance enamel, 15 minutes to fast dry. Yeah, junk. All right, well, a lot dustier now, a lot of pollen on it, but you can see we fixed the runs here, and I started doing some polishing and got crap everywhere, but whatever. It looks so much better. It's just a lot of pollen on it, but no big holes. I'll probably do a little bit more polishing, and I think that's gonna be just fine. So there's your update for the tail panel of the Charger, and hope you enjoyed it. It's not fun. A lot of sanding in between, primer, sand, you know, primer some more, sand, everything. You know how it goes. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again the next time, man. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.